Hey everyone, I want to create this video to show you guys how much this setup costs and what it looks like. This is a single steel target shooting stand, all purchased from, well, other than the 2x4s, all purchased from Amazon. So I'm going to go through the parts. All the way from the top here we have the Dragon 8-inch 3/8 thickness steel target, but made by Dragon, and we have this 2x4, I guess kind of like a holder for the target, and it fits into a 2x4 really nicely like that. This is $23. The 2x4 we bought from local hardware store for $8, and usually it's about $4, but lumber price is crazy right now. This is treated 2x4. You can buy, I guess, regular indoor 2x4 for probably half the price. And then we have the stand. That's $31. Total is $93 total for everything. And I'm gonna put the link in the description for you to purchase it from Amazon if you like this setup. And let's do a ding test real quick. We're not gonna shoot it, but we're just gonna, there you go. So it sounds pretty good. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.